Now, I will show you an overview demo to SAP Data Intelligence Cloud. Here's my homepage of SAP Intelligence Cloud, and we have in different tiles. We'll run through one by one. The first one I would like to introduce is the connection management. Click the connection management, and you open the connection management application. To create a new connection, just simply click Add button and select your target connection type. There are around 43 connection types from above to HANA DB and as well as S3. The next application I would like to introduce is the Metadata Explorer. So the Metadata Explorer, it provides data catalog capability, unified data capability for among the whole corporate. Let's say you can just searching the data already available by some keyword. In this case, I have the books from the SAP HANA Cloud, where I already a profile. In this case, I can quickly view the fact sheet. It provides me an overview fact sheet about this data set. As you can see, it will show me the data metrics, like how many row, how many column, how many rows in this case, and then the data type. And then if I look at the columns, and then you will give me the more details for the give me some initial data analyzed about my data set. For example, for the title, I having 10,000 books, and then only 7,699 having the title, and some of them having the null value, 30% of them having the null value in this case, where you can have an idea about the quality of your data, and you can preview your data. And furthermore, you can allow the team to collaborate, to reading, and then to comment on the data set, allow the collaboration in this case. And the next one I would like to introduce is the machine learning scenario manager. Click the ML scenario manager. You open the scenario manager here. So in this case, you can have a chance to see all of the scenario you have built. So I would like to select the book recommendation analyzer we have using SAP HANA ML for book recommendation. And then here I having the overall. First of all, SAP Data Intelligence having embedded a Jupyter notebook will allow the data scientists, they can explore the data and then can test the machine learning algorithm, whether you're having the good data or you have the appropriate algorithm to doing so. So we have seen this one using the HANA ML based on the history sales order, and then to identify the pattern of the purchase, and then to recommend the books based on the history buying pattern. In this case, with the HANA ML, we have been run through in the HANA overview introduction in this case. So, and then once you having find it's a good model, it's valid model with that, and then you can build a pipeline. So the pipeline it can help you to automate the operation of the training, validation, and serving in this case. So as you can see, the pipeline are having a training pipeline as well as a serving inference. Provide a RESTful API for my bookshop solution to call this API for the book recommendation. Let's quickly have a look at this association rule train API, where you will open the Jupyter notebook in this case. So it's opening the modular, which is another app for that. So in this case, all of my information, it's the pipeline has been associated here, and here was the coding where you have to do the pipeline for the training, to automate the training in this case. Now let's look at the modular for a little bit more details. Now I'm opening the modular. The modular is having provide around 227 operators. Let's have a look at a very simple one. You provide. Let's have a look at the HANA operator. Simply open the HANA. As you can see, you can load the file, load the data to HANA, and then you can train the HANA ML using this operator to train this ML as well. So that's one of the examples. How can we exposing the HANA books, the HANA data to the CSV file, in this case as a graph. And then when you design the graph, and then you can run the graph, or you can schedule to run the graph as a pipeline, as a data pipeline, or as a machine learning training pipeline, or as a machine learning inference pipeline in this case. With that, I conclude the overview demo for the data intelligence.